fine, thank you. And you?
I am also fine, thanks. What is your name?
My name is Muhammad Amin Hamza.
What do you do?
I am a student.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is Sultan Mahmud Titu.
Where do you live?
I live at Bakwa Uttarpara in Ullapara.
How old are you?
I am 7 years old.
What class do you read in?
I read in class 2.
What do you read in?
I read in Ullapara Model Madrasa.
What are the subjects do you read in?
I read Bangla, English, Arabic, mathematics, computer and other subjects.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is funny storybook.
What is your aiming life?
My aiming life is to be a scientist in my future.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
আসসালামু আলাইকুম দিবা
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa